Good day, students. Welcome to math.serve.com. And this clip we're going to be going over question number 4 of our Epic Must-Know Trig Identities proofs. In this series, we're going to be carrying out the proofs using the fundamental trig identities. This standard is covered in trigonometry and pre-calculus courses. Do not forget to take a look at the link in the description below to gain access to the worksheet that has all the trig identities problems and the related links showing you how to carry out each individual proof. Alright, so for question number 4, the task is to prove the identity that cosecant y sine y is equal to 1. Alrighty, let's go ahead and do it. Now if you take a look at the box to your right, the yellow box to your right, you're going to see the strategy that we're going to be implementing to carry out the proofs and the identities in this series. Alrighty, if you take a look on the problem that we're dealing with, on the left side of the equation, we have the product of two trig functions to the left, cosecant y and sine y. If you take a look at strategy number 1, we advised that when we have the product and quotients, they should be expressed as sine and cosine and reduced. The benefit of expressing trig functions, either product or quotients, using sine and cosine only is that it enables you to see if there are common factors that can be divided out. So let's go ahead and apply step 1 in the strategy to this particular case we're dealing with. Using the reciprocal identity, cosecant y can be written as 1 over sine y. And then sine y is already in the sine format, so we leave that alone, equals 1. Alright, so now writing this using the sine and or cosine only, we can clearly see that the sine y can be divided out. So sine y goes here once and sine y goes here once. When you multiply everything together, on the left side you have 1 equals 1. Ladies and gentlemen, we've been able to prove that the trig identities is in fact correct. Taking the time to watch this presentation, really appreciate it. If you found the contents of this tutorial helpful in your studies of trig identities, do give us a thumbs up. Your positive feedback is very valuable to us. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for updates to our review series. We have math videos uploaded to our site on a weekly basis, so when you subscribe you can get notifications of future uploads. If you have any questions or comments about the contents of this presentation or any trig identity proof that you'd like us to work out for you in a video, just post it in the comment section below and we'll be more than glad to respond. Okay? Tons of support resources can be found at our website math.serve.com, and also don't forget again to take a look in the link in the description to gain access to the worksheet that has all the proof identities, all the trig identities present, as long as the links taking you to the proofs. Have a wonderful day.